How to clean a Coach purse. You love your favorite Coach purse. White leather Coach bags are not just accessories, they're statements of style, sophistication, and an indicator of your elite lifestyle. Once you have invested in a Coach purse, you will want to carry it for as long as possible. There's just one small problem. You use your purse so often that it's starting to look dirty and stained. Are you looking for a way to clean your favorite purse without damaging it? The following tips will also help you restore your leather bag. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to cleaning a fabric purse with Coach cleaner, cleaning a fabric purse without Coach cleaner, cleaning a leather purse with Coach cleaner, cleaning a leather purse without Coach cleaner, cleaning a suede leather Coach purse with Coach cleaner, and cleaning a suede leather Coach purse without Coach cleaner. Now let's get started. Things you'll need. 1. Soft, clean cloths. 2. Coach Signature Fabric Cleaner. 3. Coach Cleaner and Moisturizer Set. 4. Coach Suede Cleaner Kit. Method 1. Cleaning a fabric purse with Coach cleaner. Number 1. Buy Coach's Signature C Fabric Cleaner. This cleaner will give you your best shot at having a new-looking purse. You can buy it online or at your local retailer. This method will work for the following types of purses: Classic Signature, Mini Signature, Optic Signature, Graphic Signature, Signature Stripe. If you want to claim a file at a warranty at your local Coach purse, the company may not grant your request if you don't try using its cleaner on your purse first. Number 2. Apply the cleaner. Find the soiled area and apply a small amount of the cleaner to a cloth and rub it into the product in small circular motions. Blot it dry with a new cloth and do not use it until it is completely dry. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Cleaning a fabric purse without Coach cleaner. Number 1. Put a small amount of water on a sponge. Here's how to clean your purse without taking an extra trip to the Coach store. Find the soiled area. Gently dab the area without scrubbing it. This will keep the texture of the purse intact. Remove excess cleaner by wiping it away gently with a clean, dampened cloth. Blot the fabric dry with a third clean, white cloth and allow the fabric to dry completely. If you're trying to remove a grease stain and it does not come out with soap and water, add a drop or two of dish detergent. Number 2. Give your bag time to air dry. Once you've dabbed the stain as well as you could, it's time to let the purse rest. Give it at least 1 hour depending on how wet it is. Don't use it if the fabric is still wet because this can do further damage. Number 3. Be prepared to clean your purse in the future. Now that you've cleaned your purse, it's important to keep it clean in the future. Here's what to do. Keep a package of baby wipes or a small piece of cloth in your purse. When you notice a new stain, apply the wipes to the stain, or moisten the piece of cloth and do the same. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Cleaning a leather purse with Coach cleaner. Number 1. Purchase a set of Coach cleaner and moisturizer. You can get it from your local Coach store or from Coach's website. This will work for the following collections: Soho Buck Leather, Soho Vintage Leather, Legacy Buck Leather, Hampton's Buck Leather, Polished Calf Leather, English Bridal Leather. Number 2. Apply a small amount of the cleaner using a clean, soft cloth. Rub the cleaner into the leather using gentle, circular motions. Number 3. Wipe off any existing residue. Allow the purse to dry for at least 30 minutes. Number 4. Apply the Coach Leather Moisturizer. Apply the Coach Leather Moisturizer to restore luster and shine to the newly cleaned leather. Rub the moisturizer onto the leather using a clean, dry cloth. Wipe off the residue and buff the leather with a clean cloth. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 4. Cleaning a leather purse without Coach Cleaner. Number 1. Wipe the purse with a wet cloth. Make sure the cloth isn't too wet so the purse isn't soaked. Number 2. Use your finger or a Q-tip. Use your finger or a Q-tip to put a small amount of gentle body wash onto the stain on your purse. Don't rub it in too hard. Gentle circular motions will do the trick. Number 3. Remove the remaining soap. Once you've removed the stain to the best of your ability, take a new damp cloth and remove the remaining soap. Number 4. Give the purse time to dry. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 5. Cleaning a suede leather Coach purse with Coach Cleaner. Number 1. Find the problem area. Make sure the area is completely dry. Number 2. Use the pink side of the cleaning bar. Number 3. Rub the affected area back and forth. Be gentle. Number 4. Use the brush to remove residue and get the leather back into its original form. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 6. Cleaning a suede leather Coach purse without Coach Cleaner. Number 1. Apply a small amount of vinegar to a clean cloth. Locate the stain in your purse, and gently wipe it with the cloth to get rid of the stain. This method will work for the following purse collections: Hampton Suede, Hampton's Mosaic, Soho Suede, Chelsea Nubuck. Don't overdo it with the vinegar. Suede does not react well to too much liquid. Number 2. Dry the purse. Use a new clean cloth to dab the moist part of the purse. Let it air dry in a cool, dry place. Avoid the sun or any place that is too hot. Number 3. Remove any remaining stains with a suede eraser. Gently rub the eraser over the stain until it disappears. Number 4. Fix the flattened parts of your purse. If the part that you clean now looks flat or lacks texture, apply a small metal brush to the surface in a circular motion to get it back into shape. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. Mild soap and water can be used to spot clean signature Coach handbags. 2. In order to clean suede handbags, use the Suede Care Kit that is included with each handbag at the time of purchase. Warnings. 1. Do not let your purse dry in the sun. This may ruin the color or fabric. 2. Do not put any of your Coach purses in the washing machine. They can be washed by hand only. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.